They waited. For approval, for applause, for permission, from degrees, from investors, from algorithms. But you didn't wait. You didn't ask, you moved. This is permissionless reality, where conviction funds the mission, where execution is the only credential, where momentum is your only metric. You don't chase stages. You build arenas. You don't pitch stories. You live truth. Dismissed once? Now you're over proof. Overlooked? Now you're sovereign coded. This isn't about titles. It's not about traction. It's about truth. And the systems you build without asking, powered by Bitcoin, compounded by code, confirmed by action. This isn't motivation. This isn't mindset. This is reality, without permission. I didn't wait to be chosen. I coded my sovereignty. I didn't hope for a seat. I built my citadel. I didn't get picked. I got aligned. Welcome to the nation of execution, where no one waits to matter, and permissionless reality is the only economy.